So lifelike. You bastards actually pulled it off.
Come again?
You're unconstitutional!
We're yelling at birds now?
Ha! Birds aren't real, Stephen.
Go on.
It's a conspiracy. A product of the deep state to spy on us. Since the 70s.
So should I just go hide all the tinfoil now? Or...
Who are you going to believe, Stephen? Books?
Oh, you know, like evidence-based fact.
No, I don't believe in that. Doesn't agree with what I think.
I like to believe that if birds were biomechanical spy drones invented by the government, that someone would have found out by now and told everyone.
Oh, sure. And next you could tell me that chemtrails are just regular planes doing regular plane things. Oh God, it's real! They found us!
Quick, you grow a beard, I'll go burn our passports.